Most people choose the wrong UAE bank and only realize it after their account gets delayed, frozen, or hit with hidden fees. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best bank for a foreigner in the UAE depends completely on your visa status, income source, and business setup. In this video, I'll show you the best banks for expats and foreigners in the UAE in 2026, which ones are easiest to open, which banks work best for business owners, and the biggest mistakes you need to avoid before applying. Let's start with the easiest option for most expats. Emirates NBD is still one of the most popular banks in the UAE. It has strong online banking, lots of branches, and good support for salary accounts. If someone like Alex moves to Dubai for a tech job, Emirates NBD is usually one of the first banks recruiters recommend. The mobile app is solid, and transfers are fast. But here's the problem. Emirates NBD can be strict with freelancers or online business owners without stable salary proof. This is where most people fail. They apply with incomplete documents and get rejected immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you're a freelancer, remote worker, or digital entrepreneur, UAE Bank has become a huge favorite in 2026. The setup is faster, the app is modern, and many foreigners find it easier for online businesses. Jake runs a Shopify store from Dubai and opened a UAE business account much faster than with traditional banks. Another strong option is ADCB. This bank is known for better customer service and smoother onboarding for salaried expats. Their Hayak digital account setup is especially useful if you want a partially online process. In a minute, I'll show you which bank is best for non-residents without a UAE salary. For premium banking, HSBC UAE works well for higher income expats and international clients. If you already use HSBC in another country, transferring funds becomes easier. But here's the catch. Minimum balance requirements can be higher, and approval checks are stricter. Now let's talk about business banking because this is where foreigners usually struggle most. Mashreq Bank is popular among small business owners and startups. It supports many UAE free zone companies and has decent international transfer features. John opened a free zone company in Dubai and got approved faster with Mashreq than with some older banks. But non-residents need to pay attention here. Opening a UAE bank account without residency is possible in some cases, but it's much harder in 2026. Most banks now want Emirates AID, visa documents, proof of address, and business activity proof. Some non-residents manage to open savings accounts, but full business banking usually requires residency. Here's the easiest strategy. First, get your UAE company or residency setup ready. Second, prepare clean bank statements from your home country. Third, clearly explain your income source. Banks care heavily about compliance now. So which bank is best overall? For salaried expats, Emirates NBD and ADCB are strong choices. For freelancers and online businesses, UAE and Mashreq are becoming top picks. For international professionals with larger balances, HSBC UAE is still a solid option. The key is choosing the bank that matches your exact situation, not just the biggest brand name. If this video helped you avoid costly banking mistakes in the UAE, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which bank you're planning to use in 2026.